Stop everything you're doing and pay close attention because this video is going to show you exactly how to make $1,600 over the next 10 days, and it's going to cost you just about $20. Okay, if you're ready for this and you need this, I want you to comment, "This is my time." Right below, say, "This is my time." About to give you some game that is for free, and you're not even going to pay me $20. You're going to pay someone else $20. I'm giving you everything for free. Ready? Okay. So what I'm going to show you is how you can use an AI tool that I have, that I built, I pay for on a daily basis, but it is free for you. It is called my AI Genie, and it is available at the link below at my free membership called Your First 5K. There are a couple of links, so make sure you're going to the right one. What the AI Genie does is it gives you a choice of about 30 different prompts, templates, instructions. These are AI instructions, and they are to help you build a beautiful website for a local business or a solopreneur, meaning somebody who runs their business by themselves. Now, this is what you do. Very simply, you go to the site, you look around at all of the options, and you select one that is interesting to you. And you could do this another way, which is look around your town and see what local business types need a better website. Some of them don't even have a web presence or a website. A lot of people try to go and help people with their social. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about that good old-fashioned landing page that should be available for these local businesses. Now, they're probably making anywhere from $300 to $2,000 a day top line at these local barbershops and restaurants, etc. And having a beautiful, functioning website that people can actually look at, stay on, and use to book things with them, to get more information, to get to know them, could help them make more money top line overall, which would be worth them spending money to have it made for them. Now, here is the secret that a lot of people don't quite get. With AI, and especially with this free AI that I have, where you just copy and paste, you can build the site or like the mock-up of the site, maybe 80% of it, before you even ask them if they want it. And then you walk into the storefront, into their office, wherever this may be. This could be not just retail, it could be a B2B, business to business, right? You walk in and you show them the website and you say, "I built this for you. Would you like to have this website truly built out?" And if they say no, you've spent a few minutes and a little bit of your ego is hit. But if you go to 10 places and three of them say yes, you've got more money than when you started. And I used to walk door to door when I was building my print magazine 20 years ago. I was building a print magazine. And today, just by the way, I have a $1.2 million info business. And I do other things too. So you can Google me to find out what I do. But 20 years ago, when I had no money, I would walk door to door and I would try to sell sponsorships to businesses. It feels daunting. It feels like it's not something you could do. But what happens when someone says yes is like worth all of the 10, 20, 30 no's that you got prior. And it gives you all the confidence in the world to do another one. We had someone in our group called Ray, and he lives in Alabama. And he went around to several local businesses, mechanics, barbershops, etc. And he said, "Hey, I made this website for you. It's beautiful. I think yours could use a little bit of a tune-up." You get it? And he sold. And here's how the math works. And here's what where you're going to put these, like paste these into. So the math is you can sell these between $300 and $1,000 each. To get $1,600 in 10 days, you would sell the first two for 300, so that's 600. And then once you've sold those two, you have more confidence and you sell two more for 500. And that's $1,600 altogether. And I recommend doing it this way so you can build that confidence and see how it works. And yes, you're going to get people slamming their door in your face. Like people are going to be annoyed. People are going to say, no, why are you doing this? Da 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 da. But you are going to find some people who are so grateful and have no idea how to do this on their own. And even if they did, would not have the time or the desire to do it on their own. When you're going to take the next 30 minutes, learn how to do this on a site called lovable.dev, and you're going to be able to do this very easily. Now, I put the link to my AI Genie below in the description and or the pinned comment. You do that by going into my Your First 5K. If you're already a member, go into the classroom and click on AI for Business 101. Once you're in AI for Business 101 in the classroom of Your First 5K, you will then see AI Genie. It'll also say websites for local businesses. Go into that. It'll give you instructions. You're asking a lot of questions right now. You're already thinking of ways this won't work. But if you've made it to this part of the video, I believe that you can do this. The questions are answered in that post and on the website at the bottom. How do I get this to someone? How do I show it? Do I have to pay for hosting? Da 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 da. You start with $20 to get 1 month worth of Lovable. You continue to pay $20 per month if you sell any of these, and you host them on your page. You could do all kinds of cool stuff like give them a custom URL or use their URL that they already have. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. But you got to get started to check it out. What I'm going to show you next is someone from my membership who is an actual person who had actual results from this. Now, she does it a little bit differently. She's a little bit more advanced. And what she does is she gives these as surprise and delights for her current high ticket customers. How cool is that? But she'll show you how easy it is, and you'll see what I'm talking about.